So here I am on this beautiful, beautiful day at Gyeongbokgung Palace. There's about 12 big buildings in here. This one I just love. This is I'm gonna hope I don't get it right. It's Gyeongbokgung Pavilion. This is a national treasure. Just the main hall, which I think I have a picture of, is another national treasure. With all these trees and these pines, it's just amazing. There's so many people here dressed in the hanboks that they rent. They get you in for free. It's only 3,000 won, which is about just over $2 to get in. So I'm on the one side of the whole entire palace. It's huge. So you can see the people walking around all in their dress. You can rent them all around the town. So just lovely. I'm blessed with such a lovely day. Gyeongbokgung Palace. The moment of Zen from Gyeongbokgung Palace here in Seoul. So I'm back on the north side of Seoul. I'm talking quietly because this is actually a residential area. It's Bukchon Village. I'm not far from Gyeongbokgung Palace. That's where I'm going next. But I wanted to see these beautiful, beautiful homes. These are private homes. Very, very popular. Very touristy. Very hilly. Just beautiful old homes. I'll try and show you some as I walk a little. What a gorgeous day. There's signs that say please be quiet. Respect the neighbors or residents. Just beautiful homes. Just want to see this one with this blue roof up here. Just amazing. Just lovely. I'll take some more coming down. You can see how all the houses are mixed in with newer modern houses as the old houses went away. It's pretty amazing. Just beautiful. So here's a little more of some of the houses. Walking back. Some are shops. Some are inns. I think this is a not workshop. Interesting. Just beautiful. Traditional skill transmitter home. It's got the old tile roofs. Then comes right out to the main street. There's a lot of little streets that jut off from this area of the village. And you can see all these types of homes all over in this area. And then the palace is on the other side of that hill that's right in front of me. So really cool. So here I am on the other side of the street. Lots of little shops. You can rent the hanbok dresses. I think that's what they're called. And then you can get into the if you're wearing one of these dresses or the male outfit, you can get into the palaces for free. You don't have to pay. So I'm just gonna explore a little more. All these cute little alleyways. Just lovely. So here I am at the Mandang Flower Cafe. I heard about this place from another vlogger I was following, and it just looked too neat to try. Not try, I should say. So I just ordered a rose latte. Just gonna try that out. And I have a interesting waffle spread. I was gonna come here for breakfast tomorrow, but then it all worked out because it wasn't too far from the palace. So we're gonna give it a shot. It's really pretty. It's so Instagrammable for those who are really into that. The cafe. And then flowers over here. Really nice. It's a great little district. I think this is Insadong. I gotta verify that. But Mandang Flower Cafe. Oh, that's good. So, this is why I came here. The vlogger Ann Travels had eaten this, and I thought, you know what, I'm gonna try that. It's waffle and cream and banana and fruit, and I walked 11 miles today, and I'm gonna enjoy it. It looks too pretty to eat, to be honest. Mandang Flower Cafe in Seoul. I'm trying to do this while holding my camera. This is so good. Granted, I've been walking all day, so it probably tastes even better, but just nice presentation. Something I wanted to do, and it's well worth it. Just some other unique artwork at this restaurant. This railroad themed cafe here. Watch your step. All the seating areas around there inside. Just so cool. It's awesome. So this is kind of fun. I just found this vending machine wall. I noticed that they were all kind of just built into the wall. Then I realized that it is all the signs of the zodiac from the Korean or Chinese calendar. And then this is all the other ones that we're used to based upon the zodiacs we know. So it's the year of the animals and year of the zodiac. So it's only about 70 cents to see what you get. So I'm going to try my snake and Taurus and see what I get. So May 13th, the loyal yet stubborn bull. Let's see here. Goes on that side. Oh, and it comes out here. I'll have to see what I get. Well, it's a fortune in Korean, so I'm gonna have to do some work to figure out what it says. And year of the snake. Let's see here. And it goes in there. Probably another fortune in Korean I can't read. Find out. Well, it's in Korean, but it's different, so I will translate them and figure it out.